You found that perfect home, the one you've been dreaming of, browsing through listings and imagining life unfolding within the walls. But there's a hurdle between you and those keys, making that offer. It sounds simple, but this step is where dreams meet reality, and today we're going to ensure your dreams doesn't slip through your fingers. The process of making an offer is akin to crafting a masterpiece. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the art and science behind what makes an offer stand out, and that's precisely what we're diving into today. Imagine walking into your dream home, not just as a visitor, but as an owner. The confidence that comes from knowing exactly what to put in your offer can turn that vision into reality. Today, I'm here to arm you with that knowledge. So, are you ready to take that giant leap towards owning your dream home? Let's break down the 6 crucial elements your offer needs to include. Hi, I'm Alex from Real Zen Realty here in Vancouver. I'm here to guide you through the pivotal moments in your home's buying journey. Let's turn your dream into a reality. First up, the heart of your offer, the purchase price. This isn't just a number, it's a strategy. You want to propose a price that's appealing to the seller, but also fair to you. How do you find that sweet spot? You'll need to know what has been selling in the neighborhood recently. Your realtor can help you with that so you don't overpay. Next, you'll need to discuss the deposit. It's a good faith amount, usually 5% of the offer price, showing the seller you're serious. If you can offer a larger deposit, this usually signals to the seller that you have all your financials all organized and ready for the purchase. Timing can be everything. When do you want to move in? Aligning your desired move-in dates with the seller's timeline can make your offer more attractive. If you can align your dates, make your dates that benefit you. Are you a renter? Make sure you plan your move-out date accordingly so you don't mistakenly pay an extra month's rent. Then there's a subject removal date. This is usually 1 week. Usually sellers would want to accept an offer that it has a quicker subject removal date. But depending on your own situation, say you need to get your financing in order, you may need more time. So it's good to negotiate this ahead of time, and that's what you want to put in your offer. A simple yet vital detail, both legal names have to be on your paperwork. This step ensures that the offer is legally binding and reflects accurately on all documents. This small detail can't be overlooked. Lastly, we'll talk about what to include as your standard subjects in your offer. But remember, you have the power to customize this. What subjects are non-negotiable for you? What are the most common ones? The most common subjects are financing, subject to inspection, and subject to strata documents if you're purchasing a condo. In summary, making an offer on a home involves much more than just deciding on the price. It's about understanding all the elements that go into a strong and appealing offer. With these 6 steps, you're not just making an offer, you're making a confident step towards owning your dream home. If you are in Metro Vancouver and you need help purchasing or selling your home, you can book a call with me free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight on living in Vancouver. See you on the next one.